Morning. At Avoka, we want to help you acquire more customers. We want to help you open more accounts and approve more loans. Sound good? We're going to do it through frictionless customer experiences. And to demonstrate, I'm going to apply for a personal loan, and I'm going to do it in under 3 minutes. So why is that important? 3 minutes. Well, when it comes to customer acquisition, every second counts. Every screen tap, every mouse click, every keystroke contributes to abandonment. And with abandonment running at 70 to 90% in financial services for new products, it's a huge problem. In fact, it's your real enemy, not your competitors. You've already beaten them. You've got the customer to your website, clicking your Apply Now button, but 70 to 90% are abandoning before they complete. Our product, Avoka Transact, allows you to create frictionless experiences for sales transactions that will reduce abandonment. Okay, enough talk. Let's take a look. So this omni-channel experience will actually work across any device or channel, but today I'm going to apply for a personal loan on an iPhone. There's just one borrower, that's me. And I've got the option of using my driving license and taking a photograph to complete sections of the application. Now note, I'm doing this in the browser. There's no app to install. It's incredibly easy for me as the customer. We'll snap that photograph and securely send it to the server, where top image systems are going to extract the data for us and allow us to use that to pre-fill the application. I don't even have to wait. I can just keep going. We're going to borrow some money for a holiday. I better bring the family, so let's make it £3,000. And I'm going to choose to repay that monthly so it aligns with my salary. I know I can easily afford about £150 a month, so we'll choose 2 years to repay as the term of the loan. And we'll continue. Here's the result of the image capture. Look how many keystrokes we've saved. Look how easy we've made it for the customer to give us the identity information. So much time has been saved here. Okay, so we'll go ahead. I haven't been known by any other names, I promise. I've got those 2 kids that I remembered to budget for, and I'm married. So we'll go ahead and continue. I'm not even scrolling. The application is scrolling forward for me, nudging me through. Now, I need to provide my employment details. But I've already put all of that onto LinkedIn. So instead of typing it in again, yes, I would like to use my profile, and there it is. Don't you just love that? That has just saved me so much additional effort to complete that section of the application. I'll just choose full-time. My phone, my email address, my work address is all in there, and we'll go ahead and continue. Now, I also need to provide my income details and liabilities. But instead of typing all of that in, I'm going to use Yodlee and their partner CreditSense to extract that data from my bank statements. I bank with Santander. I'll enter my user ID and password. Yodlee is going to extract that information, and CreditSense are going to analyze it and categorize it for me. So again, I don't have to type it in. It's just saving me so much hassle. So while that's happening, let's think about what we've done. We've provided loan details, identity information, employment details, and now we've got our income and our liabilities. And we're pre-filling the application. And in a moment, we'll see the result. There you go. There's the income, and here are all the outgoings coming out of my bank statements. Didn't have to type it in. It's all being done for me. So we'll go ahead to the end. We're almost done. Trying to break that record, 3 minutes. And there's my loan summary. So what I'm applying for, the interest rate, and so on, I'll check that but of course I've read the terms and conditions. So I'll just check that box, and we'll go ahead and sign this. That's going to get combined onto a loan agreement as a PDF for my records and for the bank's records. We'll go ahead and save that and submit. That's it. A personal loan application with all the required information and verification occurring in under 3 minutes. Now, I opened by saying we wanted to help you acquire more customers. That experience, built with Avoka Transact, will reduce abandonment and allow you to acquire more customers. Now, I'm going to do something really unusual for a Finovate demo and for an Irishman. I'm going to stop talking for 5 seconds. Because I want to give you a chance to think. I want you to think about a transaction in your business that you'd like to reduce abandonment on. Okay, you ready? Go. Okay, have you got one? So you're back in the office on Thursday after Finovate. What are you going to do? Solution design, get some programmers, Sounds slow and expensive. And then once you've built it and you want to make changes, that's going to be slow and expensive too. Let me give you a comparison to Avoka Transact. We recently worked with a lender who wanted to improve conversion rates on a personal loan. They're running at about 36%, which isn't bad. Using Avoka Transact's Composer, we redesigned their loan application as an omni-channel experience in just 10 days. We then went live. The use of intelligent templates, drag-and-drop components, pre-built integration made that incredibly efficient. Then once it was live, we used Avoka Transact's analytics to understand where customers were abandoning. When we found an opportunity to improve, we go back to Composer, make a change, test, republish. That entire cycle took about 2 hours. This allowed us to do daily releases of incremental changes to the application experience. The net result? They went from 36% approvals to 51% in just 4 weeks. And what's the impact of that? Millions in additional loan book. Don't get too excited, they're fake. Every single month. At Avoka, we want to help you acquire more customers. So remember, when it comes to customer acquisition, every second counts. Every mouse click, every keystroke, every screen tap is contributing to abandonment. We're Avoka, and we'd be honored to be considered for one of your best of show. Thank you.